in beautiful Phuket at Laguna. In Phuket, looking for a bite to eat. Well, we know where we're gonna go. And it's right across the street to Siam Sunset. How do you find a good restaurant to eat when you're in Thailand? Well, you have a lot of good choices. Yeah, finding a good Thai restaurant is pretty easy in Thailand. It's just crossing the street. That's difficult. Probably one of the more dangerous things you have to do in Thailand. But anyway, Siam Sunset. Yep, there they go, going home from work and time for dinner. Siam Sunset. It's nice. It has a good variety of Thai food. There are a lot of little street places to eat around here, but you know, if you really want some good Thai food, pick a good Thai restaurant. How do you find that? Trial and error. If you're on a holiday vacation trip, you probably are going to do a hit and miss thing. Now we're just waiting for the traffic to slow down here. It's catching up, a bit of a traffic jam, and they're going to let us out right here. And here we go, and crossing over. So this place I found a few years ago, and it's good, medium priced, and gonna get some different types of Thai food, and let's go in and see. Oh, quite a few people in here. I'm a little bit surprised. It's a nice, cool atmosphere, and have some nice things to eat. A nice table here. Okay. So, what do I like to get to test out a Thai restaurant to know that it's good? Well, I pick a few items that I know the good taste, and one is som tom, Thai papaya salad. Can they make a good som tom? Then it's probably a pretty good restaurant. What else do I like to get? I like to get stir-fried morning glory. These are simple dishes, but you know, if they can't make them, they probably don't know what they're doing. So I'm gonna get that som tom and the morning glory. And see, there's a nice menu. And I'm gonna get chicken, of course, fried chicken, and gonna get some fried noodle dish. So try that. I'm not doing curry tonight. I'm gonna try that. That's all for now. Can I? Yep. Can I have the morning glory? Stir-fried morning glory. Mm-hmm. And also som tom Thai.
Medium spicy.
2 chili. So I like to order that way with 2 chili. And the appetizer is fried chicken wing with salt. And
stir-fried noodle with chicken. Yes, sir.
And 1 white rice for me.
The chicken soy sauce, the soy sauce. About here. Yes, sir.
Okay. White rice for me.
1 white rice.
1.
Drinks, I have the Thai iced tea. Thai tea.
And Coke Zero for me. Okay, thank you. So the order is done, and now we just wait. Here's the iced tea, Thai iced tea. Really sweet and fragrant and delicious and nice and refreshing. Good drink, Thai iced tea. It's a reddish tea. And here comes some of the dishes. That's the noodle dish, veggies and chicken. That's the morning glory. And some Thai with fried rice. That's it's nice. Looks good. Let's give it a try. And if you're the kind of person that wants a little extra flavor, you can add this and ask them for the chili. Yes, chilies and some sauce in here, fish sauce, different things to put in there to add on top of your dishes. It makes it extra spicy if you like that. So this stir-fried chicken and noodle dish is really good because it has a lot of flavor, and the wok hei, which is the smoky taste to the dish from the wok. And this dish here is what they say in Thailand is morning glory. When I was in Singapore, they call it kang kong or water spinach. It's nice. It also has a nice smoky flavor with pepper and soy sauce and garlic, and can be a little spicy if you like it that way. And finally comes the fried chicken. Yeah, with some nice sauce on the side. And here's the som tom thai with my 2 chili request in there, so it looks just about 2 chilies, the super hot chilies, and a piece of chicken and steamed rice. I can make a meal out of this. The chicken is fried chicken winglet in a fish sauce and salt, and nice and crispy. Oh, let's see. Yep, we're enjoying it and gonna eat it all up. Down to the very end of my som tom salad, and you can see these beans here that are in here are long beans. It's not a green bean. You could use green beans if you're making it at home if you want. These are long beans or snake beans. And it has peanuts in there, tomatoes, and papaya, of course, with a very nice sauce, which is blended with salt and spicy fish sauce and sugar, usually coconut sugar. And of course, they give you some little cucumbers on the side. Very refreshing. And now we've finished our delicious dinner. Get some watermelon slices with a little flower there, a little orchid at Siam Sunset. And the bill came to 785 Thai baht, and that's about 21 US dollars. Yep, we had the fan on today because it is hot in here, but very nice. I give it a 10 out of 10. It was a delicious taste, good flavors, and even the iced tea is done. So please like, subscribe, and come and visit us again soon.